Welcome back, guys. So today I have a special unboxing for you guys to check this one out. This one is the Pampered Chef, the kitchen store that comes to your door. So previously my wife did a couple of the Pampered Chef, and then when she makes some sales, she gets a couple of the pots and pans and some other accessory for free, including this one. So this is a digital thermometer, and it is made in China. Let's go ahead and show you guys real quick, 360 view of the box. And here's a barcode on the back. Let's go ahead and open this up. So it comes with this instruction booklet, use and care recipe cards. So this is to change the programmed temperature of food selections, timer function, countdown, count up, and then how to clean. Here's some of the food selection guide: candy, frying, yeast, chocolate, beef and lamb, veal and pork, and then poultry. Some of the level, food, temperature in Fahrenheit and then Celsius. Here's some of the recipe preparation tip: barbecue meatloaf, creamy caramels, Alright, so let's go ahead and check out this one real quick. It comes with one of the AAA battery. I know it's been sitting on the shelf for a long time, so let's check it out, make sure the battery works. And you got this back magnetic plate right here on the back. You can stick this on your cooker. Let's go ahead and open this up. So it requires only 1.5, one of the AAA battery. And here's some of the food selection guides right here as well. There's your degrees Celsius or in Fahrenheit. Let's see. So when I changed it, the switch to degrees Celsius, it automatically changes it right away. Okay. And this screen, you can tell. Here's your plug for your thermostat right here. This one to check the temperature. And this is power right here. And also you see the alert. And once you press it, there's an alert symbol right there. Now it disappears. And then this is the thermal or timer. So if you set on candy, you could change the level right here. You see the level right there in the midsection is from 1 to up to 6 level. So if I move up, if I press the level, it's going to go up. And as you can see on the right hand side, the temperature increases. So there's your hour setting, and then minutes, or there's an up and down, and then there's a set button right there. You press left and right button if you need to clear, or set it to 0 again. And when you hit food, it changes to this is frying, yeast, chocolate, beef, veal, poultry, and then go back to candy. And then there's your start and stop button right here. So for example, if we go to candy, and then we hit the timer or the thermal right here, it allows you to adjust the hour or the minutes. So let's say we set to 1 minute. And then we're going to hit start. And then you start doing the countdown. If you need to use a timer, I know there's a timer on your microwave. You could also set it on there as well. Let's see what kind of beeping sound it's going to make, or the alert sound. So yeah, it's pretty loud. And then all you do is just hit stop. So this is where you plug in your thermal. It's a stick. You stick this into your chicken, turkey, or beef, or whatever, your candy that you're cooking, chocolate, whatever. And then this is where you could clip this to your pot, cooking pot. You see there's a squeeze right there, and then another side. So you need to pinch right here to squeeze it, so you can insert this stick in there. Okay, squeeze it. And then if you want, you clip this right next to your pot. Of course, you're gonna unwire or untangle this wire. There's another one right here. So you don't need to worry about this getting melted. This is all metal wiring, so well, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in the comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.